Setting goals. Some people are amazing at setting goals, and some people have never set a goal in their entire life. I would love for you to comment below and share your thoughts on goals. Question for you. Have you ever sat down with your family, your spouse, your partner, your children, and created if we don't say the word goals, if we created a wish list of things that you want to do and accomplish? Have you ever sat down and done that with your family? One of the things that I do typically the week after Christmas, my husband and I sit down and we have a good long conversation. Sometimes with a glass of wine or a glass of bourbon. And that is typically, we find time in the evening where he's gone to bed and we can just think and just have really strong conversations. So I have a vision board that when I started with Southwestern Consulting, I created my vision board actually 11 years. And every time I accomplish something, I put a new picture over it. And so I have this layered, really cool vision board of things that I've accomplished, achieved, fulfilled in my life. And Michael and I will take a look and see, is there anything else that we want to add to that board for this coming year, or what have we accomplished? And that's kind of fun when we accomplish something and we can add something new to the board. And then another thing that I have started, Thad's turning 5 here very soon, and it's kind of fun to get him thinking about, okay, Thad, what do you want to do? And it's amazing. It's hard telling what comes out of a toddler's mouth sometimes, especially Thad, for those of you who know Thad. Get him thinking about bigger picture stuff, thinking outside the box. We always meet up with our financial advisor. And to me, that's super important, of making sure that we're on track for retirement and doing the things that are on the vision board and leaving that legacy that we want to create for our life and for that and future generations. And to me, that's another important thing to do, especially by the end of the year. And then another big piece is, and it's kind of fun, but just sitting down, Michael and I in this conversation and really thinking about, all right, how are we going to have fun together this year? Where do we want to go? What do we want to do? What friends and family do we need to go see? Gigi-Ma and Gigi-Pa in Florida? When do we want to go see Cousin Diana down in Gulf Shores? Where do we want to take that? When do we want to take friends vacation? Like all of those things, right? Like we plan things out, and it's kind of nice. Somebody says, Becca, you plan a lot. And I do. I plan a ton. And those of you who follow my videos, you know that I plan a lot and schedule a lot, and I have my calendar. But the fun part is, all I have to do once the planning's done is just go execute. And it's so much less stress. So how do you want to plan for your vision this upcoming year, the things that you want to accomplish most? My challenge is for you to make that time this year to be able to do that, so you can be less stressed, go have fun, and keep delegating, y'all. Until next time, have a blessed day.